Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make a shake transitions on CapCut. So first, of course, what you need to do is import and get your clips ready, and next just go to effects, video effects, and go to the details category. And then here just scroll down until you find the vertical blur effect. This one's right here. Click on effects and adjust it and set it into 70. Okay, click on the check icon, and then in here shorten the effect and place it in between the clips like this. Okay, and then copy the effects and place it at the bottom, align with the first one like this. And oops, okay, and then repeat the step with all of the clips. So copy it and then place it in between other clips. Okay, so I've already copied it, and then after that go to effects again, in here video effects, and then choose basic and find shake. This one's right here, and then go to adjustment, set the speed as it is and intensity 7 like this. Go back and copy the shake. Okay, you need to shorten it first, and the length should be aligned with the vertical blur. Okay, like this. Copy it and move it to the second one, the second transitions in here. So the final result will go like this. Okay guys, so that's the shake tutorial for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below, click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.